Hi, we're here at the SEMA show at the Race Ramps booth. When you have a low car that you need a lightweight solution for, we're your company. Here, have you ever had a standard jack not fit under your car? Our track jacks is great. You put your car on it, have your jack under it, you can get your car to lift up. You have a rack and lift, can't get your low car on? We have another type of ramp to get your low car on. We're really the low car specialists. Service ramps, these are great. You drive up, work on your car 10.8 degrees. You have a trailer, can't get your low car up. Again, we have 10 different models of trailer ramps. Storing your car for 30 days or more, you don't want tire flat spots? Check this puppy out. 4 times more contact point than parking it on the ground. As soon as your season is coming out of the garage, just get on the road and you have no flat spots. Lastly, if you just want to work all the way under your car, wheel cribs, not angle determinant, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch. 100% solid inside is the lighter, safer solution, the better approach to working on your car. Thank you for stopping by. Visit raceramps.com. I'm Christina Kwan. Check out all of our products.